Well, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm in my basement right now, and my basement used to have like a fluorescent light, light bulb, like a long light bulb like this. I replaced this one already, and today I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna put another one over here. So today I'm gonna show you how to install this right here, LED shop light. So this will save you a lot of money in electricity, basically, and we in our basement we used to have like a fluorescent long light bulb, all of them. So I replaced all of them. So this is easy. All you need to have is like any outlet. We have two right here, so I'm gonna put one over here. So I got this from Menard. It's a 44 inches long. It has 1000 aluminum thread plate. So let me show you. See, when you buy this, they give you the chain right here to hook it up, and then all you need to do is a simple, just plug it to an outlet. So let's open this up. Let's see what we have in here. So this one is $40. It's a little expensive one, but this guy, I have this one. I installed this one. I think this is like 7,000 lumen, but this is 10,000 right here. A little more expensive. If you want a cheaper one, the 7,000 ones only cost about 20 bucks, but this is 40 bucks. It comes with the chain. They give you two screw, two S hook, and two chains right here. So it's easy to do. Right there, two S hook right there, and up there. Yeah, hold this a little bit. That's it, and come over here and then just plug it in. So you gotta have an outlet for this one. So we're gonna use the outlet over here. Let me see on it. Okay, and the wire. Okay. So bright. See that? See how bright it is? This is super bright. This is 10,000 lumen and $40. And if the cheaper one is right here, this one is only 7,000 lumen. It's only $20. So I put a brighter one over here. So in this basement right here, I got one over here, one over here, one over here, and then one over here. Okay. So it saves you a lot of electricity. The LED doesn't, doesn't take a lot of electricity. In the long run, you save a lot of money. This one will last you probably 5-6 years at least, probably more. So LED, light bulb usually lasts a long time. In our house, we replace everything with LED right now. This is LED, everything right here. All the light bulb in this house, all LED. So it's so simple. They give you all this right here. The chain, two chain right here. So you just one on this side, one on this side. The whole length of here is like 44 inches. And then they give you two S hooks right here and the screw. See? There's a little screw right here, screw it in. They give you all the thing right here, and to hook it up right here, the S hook on this side. See the chain, and then just plug it in. You gotta have the outlet, and we have two outlets actually close to each other. So if you didn't have this one, we could have run to this one, or you can just have like the electrician come in and just put an outlet over here. So that's it. So it's simple to do. There's no make any wire connection at all. Just plug into an outlet. And this is how I install LED shop light. So this is what the LED looks like right here inside here. See, got so many LED right here. Let's see how many are that. So there's a little chip right there. So that's what it looks like. LED light right here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.